welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you guys a review on the Miss FONG Love and Peace bag, insights of it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and I'm going to share with you guys how I pack it for my kiddos. Also in this video I'm going to be hosting a giveaway with that. At the end of the video I will let you know how you can enter that. So this is what the Love and Peace bag looks like. Now, I was a little skeptical because I had never tried a Miss FONG bag. So when I received the bag, I was really impressed with the quality itself. And I've tried other brands that are a bit more expensive, but the quality, I can say that it's worth the price. It did come with these two stroller straps, and I just have them attached to the bag. You do have this front compartment here, and in here you have quite a bit of space to put things. These two pockets are actually insulated, so if you wanted to put your bottles in here instead of having them out here, because I know sometimes there are moms out there that don't really like the look of the bottles on the side, so you could definitely conceal them in here. You do have some space in front here, and then you have a little flap here, and you have another section where you can put more things in. So I think that's super cool. The magnet itself, it's pretty good. You don't have to go and look for it. You can move it around and it'll snap by itself, which is awesome. You have two bottle pockets on the side, which are not insulated. These are actually side pockets here. Now, pocket isn't super huge, but it's not small either. I like to put my phone in these, or things that you need to like quickly grab. You can even put a pack of wipes in here or anything like that. So those are two individual pockets right there, which I think is pretty nice. On the back you do have a grab handle, then you have two backpack straps. You can also take these off if you have it on your stroller or something and you don't want the straps hanging out there. You can tuck them into this back pocket here that has a snap closure. You can also adjust these, and the adjuster on this is really easy to use. It's not loose at all whatsoever, and even when you're wearing this you can easily adjust it, which I find that I like in backpack diaper bag. So you do have two zipper pulls. The zipper is pretty smooth. This is how the opening looks like. You do have two snaps here that you can have them snapped up if you need to while you're using the bag, or if you don't want to have them snapped up. It kind of lets you look into the bag a bit more. It is kind of narrow, but if you guys have tried the Be Sporty, it's definitely more wide than that. You're still able to put your things in without it being so narrow in here. It does come with a changing pad that has a snap closure, and this changing pad is huge. I mean, it's bigger than the bag. So inside the bag has a ton of organization. I'm a lover of pockets, but on the side here you have two pockets that you can use as bottle pockets. They are insulated, so again, if you don't want to carry the bottles in the front, you could definitely carry them inside. Two slip pockets on this side, and then you have a zipper pocket on this side, and then on the other side it's basically the same thing, except one of the pockets has Velcro in it, which I'm not a fan of Velcro, but I mean, if you need to keep something secure in there, you can definitely use that pocket for that. Then, like I mentioned, another slip pocket here, and you do have another zipper pocket as well. And these zipper pockets, I do want to mention, they run all the way down. So now that I've showed you the pockets and kind of talked about the bag itself, I want to show you guys how I pack my bag. If you are an overpacker or you need to plan ahead for a long day, this would be the bag that you can take. I am going to be packing it for a 9-month-old as well as my 3-year-old. I don't really carry that much for my older kiddos, and my oldest actually goes to preschool. So let's move on to the packing portion of this video. So in this pocket here, I have a Be coin purse, and in here some lip products and a cutie band. I have a pin in the other pocket. This first section, brush, hand lotion. In the front, I have a Be small set piece, basically my wallet. That's everything in the front pocket. And these two zippers here, on this side, I normally keep my phone, and on this side, Clorox to go and hand sanitizer spray. In this bottle pocket, I just have a bib. So this is what the main compartment looks like. So starting with the middle section, indestructible book. CBT there. CBT boss cover. I use this to cover their high chairs or the shopping cart. Little toy tablet. 2 insulated pockets on this side. I have a bib with a cutie utensil, and on the other side, nose Frida and the little travel case. In this slip pocket, 3 size 3 diaper. On the other side, I have a diaper rash cream, a little diaper brush, the changing mat in the back zipper pocket. On the other side of the bag, in this slip pocket, some wipes. On the other side, I have 9-month pajamas here, and then I have a JuJu dries. The zipper pocket here, small wet bag. This is from Planet Wise in here. Some 3T pants and a pull-up. That is everything in the bag. As you can see, this bag can hold a ton. Now I'm just gonna repack it all back up. It definitely holds a good amount of stuff. You can definitely add more stuff to it. I still have a lot more room here at the top. This bag also works if you're bottle feeding. I sometimes use the Nourish Spoon bottles, so those definitely fit in here. So that is it for my review. Hopefully you found this video helpful. On to the giveaway rules. The way you can enter this giveaway is if you are subscribed to Miss Fong's YouTube channel, following them on their Instagram, as well as my Instagram and my YouTube channel as well. I will leave everything listed down below, so you can go follow us there if you're not doing so already. Once you are done with that, you can leave me a comment down below what your favorite thing was about this bag, along with your Instagram handle. This giveaway will also run for a whole week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.